Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your Lebara sim to Lebara eSIM. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is first of all simply gonna go ahead get to this lebara.com, their official homepage. Once you are in this section, you're gonna find this kind of interface, and then you simply gonna scroll down to the bottom. You'll be able to access this one option called Lebara eSIM option if it accesses in your region. Once you have tapped on that eSIM, it will simply show you the methods of, if you're a new user, it will simply show you how you can connect with it. If you are already a user, you will be able to find this option of my eSIM, right? Once you have tapped on it, it will simply access another browser which will have this option of SIM swap. You simply have to tap on the SIM swap, and that it will let you have your SIM changed to another SIM card that you would like it to be changed to. Once you have tapped on it, simply gonna follow the prompts that will be given by Lebara itself. Once you're confirmed, you will be done and you will have the changed eSIM just right over here. This is a simple process. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.